Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakar Kadash, Barakatham, to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson that I want to bring out of the earthquakes in diverse places as of October the 26th, 2025, on this Sunday afternoon. And you had a 6.3 earthquake. This is translate this. This is my first ever time being on this website. And this is from try to exit that. And yep, this is from en.iz.ru, probably from Russia, a Russian website. And this was published October 26, 2025 at 21:59 time. And it says a 6.3 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Timor. It says an earthquake of a magnitude 6.3 occurred off the coast of the Indonesian island of Timor. This was announced on October 26 on the official website of the European Mediterranean Seismological Center. It says, according to the experts, the epicenter of the tremor was located 129 kilometers north of the city of Kupang, which has a population of 282,000 people. It says the people of the earth was 84 kilometers. It says there is no information about casualties or damage at the moment. It says in an earthquake of a magnitude of a 6.5 was recorded in Providence in Indonesia on October 16. And it was noted that the sources lay a depth of 26 kilometers and located 206 kilometers west of Jalapura, with a population of 134,000 people. So you had a 6.3 earthquake over there in that region, not too far off the coast of Indonesia. And then as yesterday, you had a 6.0 earthquake over there in the Port Vila, that region. So let's check the latest earthquakes. And this is from the earthquake.us. Yep, earthquake.usgs.gov. And you had a 4.5 earthquake recorded, 26 kilometers east to southeast. A pan of Chile, 4.4 earthquake recorded, 205 kilometers southeast of Pangducton, Philippines, if I pronounced that right. Then you had a 3.1 earthquake recorded, 15 kilometers west of Jonesburg, California. Then you had a 4.6 earthquake recorded, 55 kilometers west of northwest of Pente Mescal, Timor-Leste. Then you had a 6.2. I believe that 4.6 probably in the aftershock of that 6.2 earthquake in that region. And then you had a 6.2 earthquake, 59 kilometers northwest of Pente Mescal, Timor-Leste region. 2.5 earthquake recorded, 29 kilometers southwest of Wesley, California. Then you had a 4.6 earthquake recorded, 120 kilometers south and southeast of Valley Ski of Russia. 4.7 earthquake recorded, 147 kilometers south and southwest of Balu, Indonesia. 2.5 earthquake recorded, 37 kilometers west to southwest of Menton, Texas. 3.1 earthquake recorded, 30 kilometers north of northeast of Calyard, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded, 75 kilometers west of northwest Daily Chang of China, 2.7 earthquake recorded. 8 kilometers south of Run of California, 3.2 earthquake recorded. 7 kilometers northwest of Lafayette, California, 4.7 earthquake recorded. 116 kilometers southeast of Panlugutan, Philippines, if I pronounced that right. 4.7 earthquake recorded 6 kilometers north of Holucho, Japan. 4.4 earthquake recorded. 4.4 earthquake recorded 57 kilometers south and southwest of La Esperanza of El Soporta of Mexico. 4.2 earthquake recorded 10 kilometers east to southeast of Halumonia of New Zealand. 4.1 earthquake recorded 13 kilometers northwest of Hami of Turkey. 4.2 earthquake recorded 79 kilometers northeast of Alexandria of Vanuatu. And I believe that's the same region from yesterday. Got hit with a 6 earthquake over there in that same region. 2.6 earthquake recorded 25 kilometers northeast of Mentor of Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded 34 kilometers southwest of Basilio Nevas of Argentina. 3.0 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers northwest of Dorado, Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake recorded 74 kilometers northeast of Zhangyiwan, China. 3.4 earthquake recorded 122 kilometers north of Charlotte Amalie, U.S. Virgin Islands. 3.8 earthquake recorded 116 kilometers southwest of Adonk of Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded 30 kilometers south of southeast at Debris, Sania of Ethiopia. 2.5 earthquake recorded 9 kilometers northeast of Kaliot, Alaska. So those was the latest of earthquakes as of October 26, 2025 on Sunday. That's the wrong one, Salakia. Let's see. That's the right one. This is second Ezra's chapter 9 and verse 2. It says, then thou shalt understand it is a very same time where in the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Right, that's what the seed, and that's what Ezra spoke about, that the Heavenly Father is going to visit the earth, especially with the earthquakes, and that's what we've seen. Second Ezra 9 and verse 3. It says, therefore, when it shall be seen earthquakes, upwards, people world. Right, so that's the key word, earthquakes, and increasing upwards, people world. But we definitely going to see the uptick of earthquakes, and that's what we're seeing from the visitation from the Heavenly Father visiting the earth with the earthquakes. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of October 26, 2025 on this Sunday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Bokar Kadash. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his unbegotten Son, Ba'Hashem. In the names of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai, those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the lost Wakadash tongue. As I said, rock thumbs to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.